Say Baba supporters, make una come outside confirm because una promise and fake president, the matter don't come out again. In fact, e dey hot seat now. For all of una wey wan die. Hey, I remember that 2015. Hey, Chineke, we dey no even allow us hear word. Say Baba, I don't bring una the matter now. How many of una remember presidential rally for 2015? That period where Buhari still dey try win election, we don't convince, if I don't confuse all of una head don't turn upside down. Una remember saying open mouth, don't say e go make naira and dollar equal value. Say he even promised to reduce the value of naira to the value of dollar. This man open mouth promise us. Now my people, the question don't they come up? Say Ngwanu, where the dollar, where the naira, where you promise us? Because now as we speak, my people, since 2015 till now, all these naira dollar, in fact, e even don dey double. E don dey times 2 of the wahala. Una think say e don increase. Now, we don dey go to times 2 since 2015. Nobody don see any change. So now they don bring the question. And then they interview Femi Adesina for una wey no on a presidential aide. They interview and ask am about the matter. Say how far since you and Bubu una dey relate. This thing wey you talk na true abi na lie, and how come they never do am? But people, Femi open mouth tell us say na lie. Say Buhari never in his life open mouth promise anybody say dollar go increase, dollar go reduce. Hey. No be small matter. I bring a corner aside so that now no go talk say I just dey make up stories. Because join me, make we listen to Femi himself.
At the presidential rally, the candidate Buhari at the time promised that he would ensure that the naira was equal to the dollar in value if he was voted into office. At the time, he said the official value of naira is almost that it was going to reduce the value of the naira to the dollar. But now we've had almost a double of that from 2015 to now. The question is, what is the president doing in keeping to that promise also? That is another fact, isn't it, Mr. Adesina?
But what you just said, Sheum, does not exist. It is fake, it is false, it is apocryphal. It doesn't exist. And the Minister of Information, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, has debunked that before. It doesn't exist. It was never said. If it's said, there should be clips, there should be publications. It was never said. It was a conjuration by some people. And will it then become an albatross round the government's neck? That was never said. It was never promised. I challenge you to make the clip available where that promise was made.
Abeg, between Femi and Lai Mohammed, who dey lie pass? Because before I give Lai Mohammed trophy. Now I don't even know whether that trophy I go collect and give to this one. I be make I give 2 of them different trophies. Femi said adults sabi lie. Adults for this your age. Obviously, money don't dey control people. Money. Nobody even dey think with him brain again. Abeg, bring this one aside. See your head like transformer. The thing. Bia, I no can't argue with you. He say make we give am proof. Say na true. Say Buhari talk am. Say he need proof. Oh, no be typewriting. No video. And he wants to hear the president's voice. Now wait till he talk. Ngwanu, we no go argue. I know you not supposed to know me by now. Me, I know sabi argue. You want proof? I go give you proof. You understand? But my own be say, after we give you proof, wetin be next? Because now so they do. When we bring video out now, when Buhari they make that statement, they go to say no, na Photoshop, oh, na this one. I hope say una go just take time as we they bring una this thing. We go give you proof. They don't know us. They think say now today we they do all this one. I beg, this proof we go get them. I make una no stress una save my people. I don't make calls already and they are working on it. That video, it go come out. It go come out. And I don't feel wait because I won't hear what they won't talk. And not be just talking. No. I hope say by the time they see the proof where they find, that promise must come to pass. They go make it. My boys go run am sharp. I get Twitter people leave that thing. It go come out. I just no one hear photo, video shop, Photoshop, picture shop. I no one hear any shop inside this matter. Una go agree with us, say yes. As simple as that. Don't worry, we've agreed. Una no need hear am. Because I remember very well that period where they thought say, hey, Buhari, they come out. He even open mouth. Say if we make am sit on that seat. Say no more sufferness. Dollar go do this one. Naira go do that. No promise. Wait, I tell you before. Before these people enter see, they go promise una heaven. They even promise una God himself. When they enter, now there you go see the real black color. Something we una clearly state, una clearly write am for 2015 manifesto. Now you they come outside. If I not even they make mistake, I been around that May 23. Where this thing happen, May I be March. If I know they make mistake, because I remember my people, this one, where all of us they jubilate with, they happy say, finally. See how this one come outside, person father. Come outside, they lie for national TV, where everybody they see you, even your children, even they see you. You don't even add weight. When I remember Femi before, hey, you don't add weight. Money, all the money where they thief, it just they swallow everything. And on top of that, as if say no they enough, you still they come outside they lie. Now people, Nigerians' problem is the people inside Nigeria. I know they talk about politicians. The citizens themselves, they are in fact, they are our problem in this country we call Nigeria. Because they are the only ones that you tell them one thing, just throw any lie to them, they go receive it. Tell them any small thing, they go receive it. But just the whole say, nah, we don't learn our lessons. Although I know say some people, their head still they block. 2023 now, they go come deceive una with another one. Maybe this one they go tell and say, throughout my tenure, free data. Una too go they say yes. Now so when they enter now, even phone una no go see again. Now so una be smart thing una go they jubilate, give all your life, give everything. I hope so una don't learn. Promise since 2015, how many years don't pass? Now the matter we still they solve. We never even see solution. My people, now the matter with this, so I say make I bring a call on aside. So I beg, make una help me share this video so that everybody go know say these people don't deny all the promises where they make. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you go they miss matters like this. And if you there too, you know say you there in support of waiting Femi talk, meaning say you they agree say Buhari no talk am. Why not? If not, drop them for that comment section and we go battle out down there one-on-one. Stay tuned for our next story.